just announced iOS 14, which is really great news for all of us in the jailbreak community, as Apple basically ripped up some of the best features that you can get with your jailbreaking iPhone. For example, they took Village Reloaded, which gave you widgets for iPhone months ago, and they put it in iOS 14, so now everyone can enjoy it in the next huge update. We also got the smallest Siri. Apple also redesigned the way you think about folders. And there's something about that last page, which sorts all of your apps automatically, that's pretty familiar with another operating system. Yeah, and I also had a Google ripoff, of course, by releasing a feature allowing you to translate any pages in the world. It sounds a bit like Google Translate. But well, that's great news because that gives us competition, which probably will lead to better products in the end. Now, which devices are supported by iOS 14? Now, I get it here. iOS 14 is compatible all the way from iPhone 6s up to, of course, the iPhone 11 Pro. Now, that was just the most important takeouts from Worldwide Developer Conference. If you enjoyed my content, please consider subscribing, as I need 1000 subscribers to earn any revenue from YouTube. And check out my other videos out here.